point you tell. When you can't tell, then I would give. But the way it's gonna work is exactly how I showed them, I think that was a week or so ago. And it works like you wouldn't believe. And the reason is, instead of me actually giving you the answer, you firing neurons and you're gonna remember it. It seems crazy, but it works. So all I gotta do is point, and you're going to recite what you think it is. In here, there's no wrong answers. So you ain't gotta feel like, man, I don't wanna look like I don't know what I'm talking about. Cause ain't no wrong answers. Y'all follow me? But it's going to help you remember. And the way that I'm doing this, I want you to pair up with someone later and do it the exact same way. All right? If this is the lateral border,
Glenoid cavity. Chromium.
okay, so that makes this a what? Is it a left or right?
Right.
Right.
If it's a right, how do you know?
Because they,
Medial's on the inside.
yeah.
Okay, so watch me turn around. You say this is a right.
No, it's a left.
It's a left. How do you know it's a left?
Because the glenoid cavity.
Because the glenoid cavity is
Because the
out.
glenoid cavity has to be lateral. So I do have my spinous process on my transverse scapular spine posterior, but the glenoid cavity has to be lateral at all times. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
All right. If that much is true,
Medial.
Superior
Superior.
inferior angle.
Scapular notch.
watch this carefully.
The
Acromioclavicular facet. The acromioclavicular facet. If that much is true, what's this?
Supraspinous fossa.
Yes.
You know it.
Infraspinous fossa.
Okay, good.
Medial
Median malleolus.
Tibial tuberosity.
Left or right?
The
Left.
right?
That one.
You say it's the left?
Yes.
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 Makes sense. Why would it not be a right? See?
The medial.
So now it's can't be. All right. So if that much is true, what's this?
Intercondylar eminence.
Eminence. Eminence, sorry. Those are two
To intercondylar.
Watch this. Watch this carefully. You said this is.
Medial malleolus.
So what's this?
Lateral condyle.
Lateral condyle. Good. What's this?
Anterior.
Anterior crest. You don't need no review. Watch this.
Head.
Humerus. Oh my god, I'm so. Head of the humerus.
All right. So that's the head of the humerus. What's this? That's olecranon fossa. So my question to you is left or right?
That's the left.
Left.
Yes, left.
How do you know? Because the olecranon is always posterior and the head is always medial. So this has to be a left. If you would have said a right, it can't be because I have to have the what? Olecranon being posterior. And if I turn the olecranon posterior, now the head is no longer medial. You follow me? So this has to be a left. If that much is true, hit me with this.
Greater.
Greater, yeah.
If that's greater tubercle, this is
Lesser tubercle.
good. So what's this?
Anatomical neck.
Anatomical neck. That makes sense.
Surgical neck.
Good. What is this little bump?
Epicondyle.
If that's the epicondyle, which one? Lateral epicondyle.
Capitulum.
If that's capitulum, then what's this?
Trochlea.
Good. That makes this
Coronoid process.
pretty good. Now, my question to you is,
Olecranon.
I just want to see if you all agree.
Styloid process
Of the
of the ulna.
Yeah.
radial.
Radial.
Olecranon.
Coronoid process.
Similar.
Head of the ulna.
This is where it gets interesting.
Oh,
That's calcaneus. So that makes this be
Talus.
good. Right in front of the talus is
Navicular.
good. So what is this fella?
Cuboid.
Can't fool you. What's this?
Cuneiform.
Two.
Cuneiform.
Cuneiform 2 or
Immediate.
intermediate. Intermediate. Now, what is this fella right here?
The metatarsal.
Yeah, metatarsal.
Pretty good. All right. If that much is true, what's this?
Yeah.
Proximal who?
Proximal.
Phonetic.
Phalanx.
Oh.
Proximal phalanx. Pretty good. Watch my hand.
Scaphoid.
Lunate.
Pisiform.
Triquetrium.
Oh,
Pisiform.
Trapezium.
Trapezoid.
Now, why did you do that, Jared? I did this in order on purpose, just so you can get in your mind how they go.
Scaphoid. Lunate. Triquetrium.
Pisiform.
Trapezium. Trapezoid. Captate.
Hamate.
Now watch this.
Metacarpal.
Yeah, metacarpal.
Proximal.
Proximal.
Proximal phalanx.
Metacarpal.
Yeah.
3.
Metacarpal.
Radial head.
Radial head. Neck of the radius.
Radial
Tuberosity.
This is where everybody starts messing up.
Navicular.
Navicular.
No? Oh, okay.
Oh, that,
That's the point.
yeah,
So
sorry.
that's who? Stylo process of who?
The radius.
Radius.
Of radius. Now watch this.
That's the navicular.
Navicular.
All right, that makes this.
Lunate.
And then this. Pretty good.
The
Head
head
of
of
the
the
femur.
fovea capitis.
Fovea capitis.
Yeah.
All right, if that much is true, what's this?
The palate.
Pal-
I was gonna say palatar, but
Patella.
patellar.
Patella.
is that-
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you this, left or right?
That's the
Right.
Right.
Okay, and I think you're what?
Right.
Right.
It's right.
Mhm.
Now, if that much is true,
the greater trochanter.
Lesser trochanter.
Trochanteric.
Fossa.
all right,
Anatomical
Anatomical neck.
neck.
Surgical neck.
good,
Linear
good. Watch this.
lateral.
Supracondylar ridge.
Condylar ridge, yeah.
The popliteal
Till
surface.
surface.
Intercondylar.
Intercondylar.
Watch this.
The lateral condyle.
Okay.
Head
Head
of
of
the
the, yeah.
lateral anus.
Well, there's not much more I can ask you, because it looks like to me, you know what you're talking about.
Sternal end. Acromion end.
Which one is this?
Oh, the clavicle.
I'm saying, but which end
Oh,
is it?
sternal end.
How do you know?
Because it's the bigger part.
All right, good.
And the other one was
Acromion end. Watch this.
Net,
Who? Trapezoid?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid, because it's always surrounded. Watch this.
Lunate.
Lunate.
Hand.
Cuboid. Oh,
How can you always tell him? He gives you a cheat sheet.
because it looks like a cube.
No, the cuboid's in the foot.
Oh.
Is that the pisiform? I think that's the hammock, right?
It's the hammock. Why?
And this
There's a
one's
hook
the
on here.
Oh, okay.
That's why you can always tell hammock no matter what. See, this is a hand that's really misleading. Reason being,
Mhm.
the way it's
Hard
made.
Yeah.
All right.
metatarsal 1. On the test, are you gonna want us to put metatarsal 1 or did?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Distal.
Distal phalanx.
Scapula
Scapula
spine.
spine.
Scapula notch.
Scapula notch.
Lateral
Lateral.
border. Inferior ankle.
Angle.
Acromion. Oh, whoa.
Acromion.
Acromion process. I kept on saying acromion. Greater tubercle.
Tubercle.
Olecranon
Oh, like
process. Oh,
Capitulum.
Yeah, capitula.
Medial epicondyle.
fovea.
Lit.
Yeah, yeah.
The medial
Medial
condyle.
condyle.
Lateral supracondylar
ridge.
Lateral
Epicondyle.
Greater
Greater
trochanter.
It really ain't nothing for me to do. This is easy. Y'all breezed this way easier than what I was expecting. So really, you're better off than what we think. However, this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. I want y'all to pair up in twos. Y'all can go. 2 people can go right here. 2 people can go right here. And all you're gonna do is grab a ball and go with each other. I promise you, this gonna work. Because some of you all are stronger than others, but you're gonna notice something is going to happen. As that person is saying it, you're saying it in your head, and you're remembering, you're learning it. I said memorize. You're learning it, and then y'all switch roles, and the other person goes and grab another bone. But then each time you do that, you're gonna get this. You follow me? Now I gotta go to this departmental meeting, and then after that,